Hello everybody, this is Planet Earth here. I want to show you how cold this stuff gets. Okay, so this stuff is just air duster, but when you turn it upside down, it's... So, just watch how cold it's going to get. This thing is over 10 years old, or 12 years old, and I don't know why, even when I ruin this thing, it still works. I don't understand. This thing survives everything. Anyways, let's check this out. So, first, we'll just kind of give this a test here. So currently it's 74 degrees. So here we go. Watch this temperature and watch this temperature. $45, $46. Now it's going to get cold. Should start freezing soon. And it's not kind of warmed up yet. Okay. Let's do this again. So let's just kind of put that there. 70. This says 52. So let's go ahead and blast it now. As you can see, it's freezing it. This says 41. Now it says 38. Let's go see, it's 38. There you go. It's already got a negative 40 Fahrenheit. That is now frozen. See? Now that says 60. But we're going to shoot it inside its internals because it's just a AAA. Check this out. It's going to freeze it all up. But see how it says low? Minus 20. See? Minus 20 Fahrenheit. That's how low it got. Look at that. Look how cold it got. So, okay, so now we're going to freeze this thing to death. Okay, here we go. We're going to actually freeze this thermostat. Check it out. It says 26. You can hear it freezing. You can hear it in there. It's freezing. And then we're going to freeze this again here. By the way, you can't be doing this normally. See, now it says 0, minus 12, minus 20. It went to negative 40 degrees. You can see it's frozen. You can actually feel the cold coming off of it. Pretty interesting. Look, it says 11 degrees. Now it says minus 1. It is now, it's actually below below, there it goes. Now it's going to warm up again. But you can tell it went to minus 1 here. So we're going to do it again. We're going to freeze it again. We're going to freeze it until this thing doesn't work anymore. That thing's going to be really frozen inside there. Okay, we've just frozen that thing. So the inside of this device is going to be frozen now. Minus 7. This thing's getting really cold. And there's ice. You can see the ice developing. See? Hey, what's up, Joe? I'm just playing around with this stupid shit. Look at this. It's all frozen now, look. You see that? It's frozen. Look at that. There's actual ice developing on it. So we're going to freeze it until it doesn't work anymore. Alright. Okay, so we're going to freeze it. And then we're going to freeze it in front of it. Here we go. It's going to go out. Ready? We're going to freeze it until the display is completely frozen. Here we go. There it goes. By the way, this would be instant frostbite if it got on your skin. So don't ever do this. That's how cold. Look how cold it is. Look at this. Look at that. Completely frozen over. Look, there's ice. You see that? Let's see if we can freeze this flashlight here. Let's see if we can freeze it. No, I just want to show you. That's what it looks like when it's frozen. You guys can't see it, but it's frozen now. Look at this. There's ice all over it. Look at that. Let's see if we can make this water cold. You ready? Let's see if we can make the water cold or not. Ooh, that's cold. Well, let's see if we can make it cold or not. Ooh. Look at that. The water is now cold. Seriously, the water is actually cold now. Look at that. Now the water's already cold. Look at that. That's insane. Look at this. It's still frozen. Look at this. That's still frozen. You hear it? It's iced up. Look at that. It's actually iced up. Look at that. There's ice. Sorry, guys. I'm really fucking bored. But the water is extremely cold. You can't drink it. It's cold now. That's crazy, man. Look at this. This is still all... My battery is finally dying? Huh, I need new D batteries. Alright, let's freeze this thing and see what happens. I don't want to get the button though, but let's try freezing it. Here we go. Let's see if we can freeze it. This one? This is a meat thermometer, but it's accurate with air temperature. See? Watch. It says it's 60 degrees, but watch. I'm going to just do this real quick. Now watch the temperature. It went to negative 40 degrees in just a couple seconds. Seriously, that's how cold it got. In 2 seconds. See how it's frozen? Look at that. It went to negative 40 Fahrenheit and more. It's probably colder than that. You don't want to get this shit on your skin. It'll cause immediate frostbite. But it's not necessarily dangerous. It's weird. As long as you don't inhale it. So, yes, you can measure the temperature, yes. See? It's air. You can measure the air temperature. See, now it's on freezing. You see that? This says 47 degrees, but it's like 70 degrees in here. Watch. Ready? I'm going to do it again. Look, I'm going to freeze it. Look at that. Look at that. It's messing up the display. You see how it's messing it up? Oh yeah, that's going to freeze it good. See? All ice. Look at that, 32 degrees. So now we're going to freeze this device here. Let's see if it fucks it up or not. I don't really care, but let's just see if it fucks it up. Can it take it? That's the bigger question. It's like liquid dry ice, but it's not. It's all frozen now. Look at that. Look at that. It's all frozen, like we're out in the tundra. You see how cold it gets? Look. Look at that. See, this is stuck at 35. This is now frozen. Bet you guys you didn't know you can get an Arctic freeze in a can. I don't want to touch that. I'm going to rinse all this shit off, but I'm not going to touch this. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's almost, this is almost as cold as, this is almost as cold as dry ice. Not quite, but it's pretty close. See, look, it's still frozen. See that shit? Look at this. It's still fucking frozen. It's still below 32 degrees. That is insane. And it still works. I don't know why, man. This thing still fucking works. Look, I'm gonna blow into it until it goes out. Here we go. Hold on. Well, anyways, you get the point. Look at this. This is all ice. Look at that. Frozen. This thing is still warming up. Look. But it's all frozen inside. You can't see it, but it's all frozen inside there. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.